So here's our new place. This is actually located in Paranaque. Called it Azure. And there's mini kitchen here. One master bedroom. One is a sofa bed. All of our things are messed up. I'm so sorry. And this guy eating.
Now it looks like I'm hungry.
Oh my god, you eat. I think you ate 4 of it.
No.
So they actually give us freebies, free food, snacks. I mean.
It's free candy.
Okay, candy, fine. And this, man.
This right here is what I was always hoping but fearful that it wouldn't be. Coming here, I was thinking that it would be like the old place we had, which was we paid $19K a month for it. Internet was shit, right? And on top of that, it wasn't as big as this. At least it seemed like. This is bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
And like, and extra like, and we also paid 3K, 3.5K, 4K a month on electricity.
I think we have to turn off
Paid
the
like 2K a month for 1.5K a month for internet, and all that. Of course, didn't equal out to this price here, but here, plus the cost of electricity, which is another like maybe 3.5, 4K. We're paying 29K a month for this place, and we got 50 megabytes a second internet, roomy, pretty much mostly brand new, right? And a beautiful view of the outside, which if you look right here, and if I can just move this and not be, like a, there we go, look at that. You got a nice view, right?
city view, and there's a chair.
And there's a chair there if you want to smoke cigarettes.
No, no one will smoke cigarettes. Look at this.
But we don't smoke
It's
cigarettes.
so
I
nice.
don't know about her.
Vodka.
And look at that little light right there. She's so amused by it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So how to turn this off?
But this right here is really comfortable. And we got a fan here, AC, that I've always loved. I always thought that was an old-fashioned, but that little dial there at the top right, the right side, you put it onto a timer. You say go to bed at 12 a.m. You put a timer for 6 hours, and then it turns off by itself by 6, and it gets really humid, and then you are forced to wake up.
And also they have this
Fold-out bed.
extra bed.
Another fold-out bed. You got
sheets.
enough here for 7 people. 5 people. Sorry, 5 people. So that is all. Oh yeah, let's not forget the bathroom. Excuse me, I got hiccups. All right. Now this is what I'm talking about. Now this is what it looks like before I start taking a shower here. Very nice, very clean. More than really, really nice.